Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the display and GPU. Open your monitor settings and confirm its native refresh rate, like 60 or 144 Hz, then update GPU drivers so features work correctly. Next, enable VSync in the game or graphics control panel. This forces the GPU to wait for the display, which removes torn frames. Once done, make sure the game's frame limiter is off or set to the same refresh rate. If you have an adaptive option, keep it ready for the next step. Once VSync is in place, you switch to Adaptive Sync if available. Enable G-Sync or FreeSync in the monitor OSD and GPU panel to let the display adjust to fluctuating FPS. If Adaptive Sync is not an option, set an FPS cap at or just below the refresh rate, so for 144 Hz cap at 143, to prevent tearing without introducing big input lag. Also, toggle triple buffering or low latency modes to balance smoothness and responsiveness. Make these changes one at a time to observe effects. To finish, verify results using a fast-moving scene in-game. If tearing persists, swap the cable to DisplayPort, since it better supports high refresh and adaptive sync. Adjust power settings to prefer maximum performance in the OS and GPU utility, because unintended power saving can drop frame delivery. If you still see tearing, roll back to a prior driver or test with default game settings to isolate software conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.